welcome back to another video. As you can already tell, we're gonna do a carbon fiber wheel install today. I got this off of a local guy because he was parting out from his Civic SI. His SI was actually boosted. I believe his name was Brian. So yeah, I'm gonna install that, take the stock one out. So yeah, this is all you really need. A 14 mil wrench, T30 Torx screw, and then a regular Phillips. That's all you really need. I already unplugged the battery. You want to let all the battery drain out first, but I already had one problem because mine's is a battery relocator and I lost one of these nuts, so it's somewhere down there. Hopefully I can find it later, but I'll worry about that later. So let's install this beauty. Okay, so from my research, there are some T30s. There should be one right here and the other one on the other side right here. So you want to take those out first, and then you can probably pop this airbag next. Alrighty, got the two T30 screws out from the sides. After that, you can pop this airbag out. You just want to be careful and not break anything, but I'm gonna put my camera down so I can do that. Alrighty, dog, so I took this little plastic trim off, which is under here. It's a little hard to see, but you'll feel a trim where you could open that up. Then after that, there's a green wire here that's hooked onto a black piece right here, and all you have to do is hold on and pull it out. Then after that, the yellow one, I believe that's the airbag, you want to push that down, then you want to unhook it. So I'm going to do that right now, and then after that we could take it off by using the 14mm socket. Honk honk, took that out. Now for this 14mm, put this down and take it out. Alright, so I unloosened this. So apparently it's really tight on there, so you have to like yam it a couple times until it gets loose. Oh, there you go. So now that's loose. And then after this, you want to unplug this. Okay, so yeah, you just unplug this. There's a little tab right there. Take this bolt off, put that over here, and now we could just take this out. Beautiful. Alright, and after that I'm going to take these buttons where you can transfer it onto the carbon fiber one, and then I could reinstall it back on. Okay, so obviously this one, factory wheel, and the aftermarket wheel, about the same size, but this one's just cleaner looking, looks way better, it's bulkier, better grip. But for this one, there's a few screws that we need to get out. One here, the ground wire, one here, and then there should be a couple more back here. Yep, one here, on the other side, one here, and then you can take these pieces out and transfer it over to here. So after that, just take this off. Everything should just pop off smoothly. Oh, I forgot one more ground wire. I'll do that, and then take everything off and transfer it over. Boom. So took the this trim off for the radio and the telephone. All you need to do is push these white tabs out, and it'll come right off. And now you could transfer it over this trim stays, and you can, all the screws that you took out, you can put it back in, and yeah, after that I think we can put it back in, and hopefully it'll look really good. So before I put this back on, it's basically plug and play, plug in everything back together. But for this, you want to try to keep it as center as possible, because if not, it's gonna like fuck up your alignment and everything's gonna be crooked. So keep this as straight as possible, so you'll be driving straight. Alright, so I'd say this is pretty straight. If it can focus, it says top right there. And yeah, put this 14 mil back in here, tighten it down. I'd say just hand tight it, and then I plug this back in, the airbags. It's over there, plug it back in, and it should be Gucci. Looks way cleaner and bulkier than the other one. Holy, I'm done. This is hot right now, I'm sweating. It's literally plug and play. It's pretty easy. Take it out, unplug it, plug it back in. Make sure you don't mess with anything, but all I need to do now is put on the battery. Looks pretty nice. It's a eBay carbon fiber. Pretty sure it's not that Buddy Club, but it still looks hella nice. Got that flat bottom, you feel me? It's thick, much better. It's pretty much in the center, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna put the battery on and make sure that everything works. But yeah, everything looks really nice. Alright, put the battery back on. Like I said, I was missing this nut from the beginning, so it's kind of not there anymore. It's probably somewhere in here. Checked under, it wasn't there. So I'm just gonna start the car, move up a little bit. Hopefully I can rattle it out, but if not, I'll probably just buy another one or find something to hold it in for now. But let's start her up. Yeet. Ugh. Looks really, really good. All right, need my short legs. All right, looks like everything's in place. Everything works. Honk works. Horn works. But yeah, man. Well, that's the end of that video. So if you have any questions for me, you can leave it down below. But yeah, it's just pretty easy for easy carbon fiber eBay steering wheel install. Took the other one out, and yeah, man, just looks way better. I love the flat bottom. It's a lot bulkier, better to grab, and everything works. Pretty sure. So the battery is unplugged. Yep, all these buttons work. But yeah, man. So if you liked the video, please remember to give that a thumbs up. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace. Shout out to my local mechanic for hooking it up with the one nut that I missed. Hopefully that one that's missing down there doesn't damage anything. But yeah, shout out to them. But yeah, thanks for watching.